Why do you hate yourself?
What do you mean?
You are a Republican. Everybody knows all black people should be Democrats. It is just natural.
Why?
Because the Democrats are pro-food stamps and welfare.
That is a very racist presumption. I favor less government. I am pro-life, against gay marriage, and favor lower taxes.
Wow. You are a self-hating black woman. Look at all your racist positions.
How are they racist?
Because Republicans hold them. I bet you are against affirmative action.
Yes, I am.
But, seriously, how would you be as successful as you are without affirmative action?
That was a really racist statement.
I am a Democrat. I am immune to making racist statements. Have you ever heard of Joe Biden? You do realize if the Republicans regain power you will be sent back in chains to Africa.
I highly doubt that would happen. I think if they won the economy would improve, taxes would go up and there would be less regulation.
I do not get you. Do you know how many dog whistle terms you just used?
Why cannot I not be a Republican?
Because we live in a post-racial age, where all minorities groups, if they know what is good for them, vote Democrat. Because our policies help the poor and racially disadvantaged.
It seems to me, minorities have supported you guys for the last 30 years and the plight of minorities has only gotten worse.
Obviously, if we improved it, you minorities would not vote for us. Anyways, do you want to keep being a victim of racist, you Uncle Tom?
Exactly.